When did Lil Mosey start making music like this?
I want shit to myself, baby. There ain't nobody else. Miss these from past flings.
Hold on.
Starting to show themselves. So if I get overexcited, it's hard to help.
When did he start making pop music? What is Life 5 Teams Last Circle and BR? When did Mosey start making pop music? What the? This is good.
6 years of baggage can complicate your mental health. Hold me tight and say it's mine. And I promise I'm not trying to waste your time. You know that I get selfish. You know that I get selfish. Sorry, I'm overboard.
No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. When did he, bro, this is actually genuinely really good. Chat, we're not done with Splitgate, by the way. I just happened to like hear a snippet of this song on Spotify and I was like, wait, I need to listen to this. She just putted with an iron. All right, calling out that they're using the wrong thing for golf is kind of funny. This is good. I hope he sticks with this actually. This is really, really good so far.
I'm a little immature, but of course, you're too busy keeping score. Your gravity, it hold me down just like a force. Till I take your love for granted, it ain't fair, yeah. Indecisive, it ain't clear, yeah. Plenty of the fish in the well, yeah.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I hate comparing artists to other artists. This kind of reminds me of 2017 Sway Lee in the, I never can say their name right. Ray Shremund, you know, drummer ear backwards. But this reminds me of Sway Lee in 2017, low key. I can't believe his first album was 7 years ago. Where does the time go, bro? Yo, this is a summer song. Hold on, I like this song. Need some better days. Selfish. It's catchy. Lil Mosey finally embraces inner light skin. I'm here for it, man. Come on. Hold on, Lil Mosey. This is actually tight. I like this. When did he I can't believe he makes music like this. This is a summer song. Chat, you guys gotta admit that was valid, right? Like that was a very summery song. Like that kind of makes me want to be outside. You gotta admit that was actually good. Like I've never thought like Lil Mosey couldn't make good music, but that's a good song. I like that. Selfish by Lil Mosey. That's dope. I just happened to come across it in Spotify. That's a good song, man. I hope he keeps making pop music like that. Is that his most recent song? He got 1 million views on that video too. Wow. Okay. I hope he keeps making music like this, man. That's dope. He gets good views on his music for the most part. Like not a milli, but he made, wait, is this an R&B album? Hold on. He made an album called Love You Forever. What is this? Hold on. Wait, I need to listen to one of these songs really quick. Then we're gonna go back to Splitgate. I'm debating on if I'm gonna react to this album or not right now. Okay, he's definitely gonna go SoundCloud rapper on this. I can already hear it.
I'm not on this planet. I'm living my life. The weekend is fancy. I'm out of my mind. A personal venture. Don't give me advice. Just wait till I finish. Don't tell me I'm high. I'm not on this planet. I'm living my life.
I mean, I like it. I could vibe to this. Hold on, I might have to listen to this album and do a full reaction to it.
The weekend is fancy. I'm out of my mind.
Since YouTube, who I'm calling out right now. Actually, wait, I probably shouldn't play this with YouTube, with the YouTube stream being up right now. All right, I'm not gonna play this right now. because the YouTube stream is going to have a heart attack if I play any more copyrighted music. But YouTube blocked my full reaction to 3 different football games that I was watching / reacting to the highlights from. So YouTube, thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate you doing that to me for no reason. Let me save this album for later. I'm going to do a full reaction to that. That one song caught my attention.